R12 is generally preferred over R22 in deep freezers since A. It has low operating pressures. B. It gives higher coefficient of performance. C. It is miscible with oil over large range of temperatures. D. All of the above. The correct answer is it is miscible with oil over large range of temperatures. The temperature of air recorded by a thermometer when its bulb is surrounded by a wet cloth exposed to the air is called A. Wet bulb temperature. B. Dry bulb temperature. C. Dew point temperature. D. None of these. The correct answer is wet bulb temperature. During subcooling, sensible heat from a liquid refrigerant is removed. A. Yes. B. No. C. D. The correct answer is yes. The expression is used for calculating relative humidity. A. Yes. B. No. C. D. The correct answer is no. If the energy radiated per second per SQcm of the surface for wavelengths lying between and D is represented by E, D, then E is called A. Absorptive power. B. Emissive power. C. Emissivity. D. None of these. The correct answer is emissive power. Dry bulb temperature is the temperature of air recorded by a thermometer when A. It is not affected by the moisture present in the air. B. Its bulb is surrounded by a wet cloth exposed to the air. C. The moisture present in it begins to condense. D. None of the above. The correct answer is it is not affected by the moisture present in the air. In a spray washing system, if the temperature of water is higher than the dry bulb temperature of entering air, then the air is A. Heated and dehumidified. B. Heated and humidified. C. Cooled and humidified. D. Cooled and dehumidified. The correct answer is heated and humidified. A valve which maintains a constant degree of superheat at the end of the evaporator coil is called A. Automatic expansion valve. B. High side float valve. C. Thermostatic expansion valve. D. Low side float valve. The correct answer is low side float valve. The atmospheric air at dry bulb temperature of 15 C enters a heating coil maintained at 40 C. The air leaves the heating coil at 25 C. The bypass factor of the heating coil is A. 0.376, B. 0.4, C. 0.6, D. 0.67. The correct answer is 0.6. The final relative humidity of the air during cooling and dehumidification is generally than that of entering air. A. Lower. B. Higher. C. D. The correct answer is higher. The emissivity of a polished silver body is as compared to black body. A. Same. B. Low. C. Very low. D. High. The correct answer is very low. In a pressure enthalpy chart, the space between the saturated liquid line and saturated vapor line represents subcooled liquid region. A. True. B. False. C. D. The correct answer is false. R11 has the highest critical point temperature. A. Correct. B. Incorrect. C. D. The correct answer is correct. The ratio of heat extracted in the refrigerator to the work done on the refrigerant is called A. Coefficient of performance of refrigeration. B. Coefficient of performance of heat pump. C. Relative coefficient of performance. D. Refrigerating efficiency. The correct answer is coefficient of performance of refrigeration. A refrigerator works on A. Reversed Carnot cycle. B. Bell-Coleman cycle. C. Both A and Ebb. D. None of these. The correct answer is both A and Ebb. The reciprocating refrigerant compressors are very suitable for A. Small displacements and low condensing pressures. B. Large displacements and high condensing pressures. C. Small displacements and high condensing pressures. D. Large displacements and low condensing pressures. The correct answer is small displacements and high condensing pressures. The boiling point of carbon dioxide is A. 20.5 C, B. 50 C, C. 63.3 C, D. 78.3 C. The correct answer is 78.3 C. The mass of water vapor present in is called absolute humidity. A. 1 m3 of wet air, B. 1 m3 of dry air, C. 1 kg of wet air, D. 1 kg of dry air. The correct answer is 1 m3 of dry air. The cooling system used for supersonic aircrafts and rockets is A. Simple air cooling system, B. Bootstrap air cooling system, C. Reduced ambient air cooling system, D. Regenerative air cooling system. The correct answer is regenerative air cooling system. Which of the following statement is correct? A. In vapor absorption refrigerator the compression of refrigerant is avoided. B. Subcooling can be achieved by circulating more quantity of cooling water through the condenser. C. In vapor compression refrigeration the vapor is drawn in the compressor cylinder during its suction stroke and is compressed adiabatically during the compression stroke. D. All of the above. The correct answer is all of the above. The desirable property of a refrigerant is A. Low boiling point, B. High critical temperature, C. High latent heat of vaporization, D. All of these. The correct answer is all of these. The humidification process on the psychrometric chart is shown by A. Horizontal line, B. Vertical line, C. Inclined line, D. Curved line. The correct answer is vertical line. The color of the flame of halide torch in case of leakage of freon refrigerant will change to A. Bright green, B. Yellow, C. Red, D. Orange. The correct answer is bright green. The wet bulb depression indicates humidity of the air. A. Absolute, B. Relative, C. Specific, D. The correct answer is relative. The refrigerant widely used in domestic refrigerators is A. Ammonia, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Sulfur dioxide, D. R12. The correct answer is R12. When absorptivity 1 reflectivity 0 and transmittivity 0 then the body is said to be A. Black body, B. Gray body, C. Opaque body, D. White body. The correct answer is black body. Prandtl number Pn is given by Pn. C. Pk. A. Yes, B. No, C. D. The correct answer is yes. In a vapor compression system the condition of refrigerant before passing through the condenser is A. Saturated liquid, B. Wet vapor, C. Dry saturated vapor, D. Superheated vapor. The correct answer is superheated vapor. The critical temperature is the temperature A. below which a gas does not obey gas laws, B. above which a gas may explode, C. below which a gas is always liquefied, D. above which a gas will never liquefied. The correct answer is above which a gas will never liquefied. The evaporator changes the low-pressure liquid refrigerant from the expansion valve into A. high-pressure liquid refrigerant, B. low-pressure liquid and vapor refrigerant, C. low-pressure vapor refrigerant, D. none of these. The correct answer is low-pressure vapor refrigerant. For air conditioning the operation theatre in a hospital, the percentage of outside air in the air supplied is A0, B20, C50, D100. The correct answer is 100. The mass of water vapor present in 1 kilogram of dry air is called humidity ratio. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. In a vapor compression refrigeration system, a throttle valve is used in place of an expander because A. It considerably reduces mass of the system. B. It improves the COP as the condenser is small. C. The positive work in isentropic expansion of liquid is very small. D. It leads to significant cost reduction. The correct answer is the positive work in isentropic expansion of liquid is very small. The unit of overall coefficient of heat transfer is A Wm2K, B Wm2, C Wmk, D Wm. The correct answer is Wm2K. Most thermostatic expansion valves are set for a superheat of A5C, B10C, C15C, D20C. The correct answer is 5C. For large tonnage more than 200 TR air conditioning applications, the compressor recommended is A reciprocating, B rotating, C centrifugal, D screw. The correct answer is centrifugal. The ratio of actual mass of water vapor in a given volume of moist air to the mass of water vapor in the same volume of saturated air at the same temperature and pressure is called A humidity ratio, B relative humidity, C absolute humidity, D degree of saturation. The correct answer is relative humidity. The transfer of heat by molecular collision is smallest in A solids, B liquids, C gases, D none of these. The correct answer is gases. During dehumidification process the relative humidity A remains constant, B increases, C decreases, D. The correct answer is decreases. The ratio of actual heat transferred to the maximum possible heat transfer is known as heat exchanger effectiveness. A agree, B disagree, C, D. The correct answer is agree. When the discharge pressure is too high in a refrigeration system, high pressure control is installed to stop the compressor. A correct, B incorrect, C, D. The correct answer is correct. A gray body is one whose absorptivity does not vary with temperature and wavelength of the incident ray. A true, B false, C, D. The correct answer is true. The wet bulb temperature during sensible cooling of air A remains constant, B increases, C decreases, D. The correct answer is decreases. In absorption vapor systems the refrigerant widely used is R12. A correct, B incorrect, C, D. The correct answer is incorrect. Hydrogen is used in Electrolux refrigeration system so as to the rate of evaporation of the liquid ammonia passing through the evaporator. A equalize, B reduce, C increase, D. The correct answer is increase.